In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer USDT from one Binance account to another Binance account as of 2025. Whether you're sending funds to a friend, family member, or even transferring between personal accounts, Binance's internal transfer option streamlines the process, often reducing or eliminating fees. Let's dive right in and walk through this step by step for maximum clarity and confidence. To get started, log into the Binance account from which you'd like to send USDT. Once you're securely logged in, navigate over to the Wallet section where we'll find the Fiat and Spot wallet. This is where you'll locate your USDT among your list of assets. Look for an option that says Withdraw, Send, or something similar. Binance frequently updates its interface, so the terminology might vary slightly. If your account is set up with an internal transfer feature, this is where you'll choose it, often listed under something akin to transfer or internal transfer, possibly specified as crypto to Binance user. At this point, you may be prompted to specify how you want to send your USDT. Binance makes it convenient by allowing transfers via several identifiers: email, phone number, or the Binance UID of the recipient. Simply enter the recipient's Binance identifier, ensuring you've got it correct. A small typo could send funds to the wrong account. Alternatively, you can use the recipient's USDT deposit address on Binance if sending via this method. Next, and very importantly, select the appropriate network for your transfer. Matching the network is crucial. While internal transfers on Binance often standardize to a network like TRC20 for USDT, it's worth double-checking. On occasions, depending on the setup, you might have options, so confirm with the recipient what they can receive or prefer. Now it's time to determine how much USDT you wish to send. Input the desired amount into the provided field. This is a good moment to review all of your transaction details one last time. Verify the recipient's information, the chosen network, and the amount. Ensuring every detail is correct is critical to a smooth transaction. Before sending, you'll need to complete a security verification process. This typically involves two-factor authentication, where a prompt will be sent to your email or phone for additional confirmation. Follow the steps provided to validate your identity and secure the transaction. Once everything is verified and ready to go, it's time to submit or send. Most internal Binance transfers occur almost instantly, but depending on network conditions or system processing, they might take a bit longer. Lastly, it's always a smart practice to confirm completion by checking with the recipient. Have them look in their Binance account under Wallets and Fiat and Spot to verify the USDT has indeed arrived. Thanks to Binance's efficient system, your USDT should be there waiting. And there you have it. That wraps up today's guide on transferring USDT within Binance.